Well, we got an empty spot on the trailer today, and as you probably guessed, we're picking up a brand new Sea-Doo 325. We're over at Sportsman Cycle and Marine in Morgan City. These guys actually hooked me up with this. They're letting me come back here, take it apart out of the crate, and we're going to be taking it home. If you guys want a Sea-Doo 325, these guys could definitely hook you up with it. They actually got a few here. And before we get to assembling it, we're going to go inside, check out what they got. They actually got plenty of Sea-Doo inventory. Got plenty of Sea-Doos here and just some of the slow stuff. There's a 325 RXT hanging out back there. Plenty of triple black RXPs. I think this is probably the best color of RXP ever, and you can no longer get it. So whatever's in inventory, that's all you're going to get. These guys got plenty of them. New RXP-X 325 with the tech package. Got a new GP 1900R. Definitely got a lot of cool stuff here. So give them a shout and we're going to assemble our new 325. Got it all assembled. The only thing left to do is put oil in it, hook it up to the laptop, and we're leaving here, and tomorrow we're going to ride this thing. So the 325 is built on our trailer, ready to go to the water. We got big plans for this ski. This is going to get absolutely every single part that's available for it. We're not going to be settling with anything. This is going to be very fast. So be sure to go over to greenhulk.net PWC Performance Forum and subscribe to this channel because we got tons of stuff planned for this. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next episode.